Hi, I'm back. So for today's video is a makeup tutorial video, and as of the moment, the trendiest makeup in the beauty industry, as I can say, is the fox eyes. And I have seen many tutorial in YouTube, in Instagram, in TikTok. So I decided to make a colorful version of it. So this is the colorful fox eye tutorial that I make, and if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. So for this part, I'll be doing a voiceover, and as you can see, I did glue my brows because to achieve a fox eye look, you have the brows to be lifted as well, and I'm coloring my brows with using a Dermacol foundation, and as you can see, I'm just using a bouncing motion to not disturb the base under my brows. So for my first eyeshadow, I'm using a baby pink shadow from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm putting it on almost on my brows, then adding a darker pink shadow from the same palette. I'm just putting it under the initial color and deepening it to give a 3D dimension on the crease. Then going back from the initial pink eyeshadow, I'll just blend it so there will be no harsh lines. Then to further deepen the look, I just put some almost a red shadow from the same palette. Now I'm cutting the crease using a concealer. I'm using the Dermacol foundation. By the way, it's not a concealer. Then I'm setting it using a white eyeshadow. For this part, I'm using a packaging tape because I don't have a scotch tape. You just need to improvise. Next, using a light purple eyeshadow, I'm placing it on the outer third, and as you can see on top of the tape, to make a sharp line on it. Will act as a wing for this look, and by blending it inwards. To give a depth to this wing, I'm just putting a purple eyeshadow still from the same palette. And then, voila! Diba? Now I'm just putting a thinnest and closest to the lash line black liner. Next, I'm grabbing a purple eyeliner and I'm putting it on top of the white part of the eyeshadow, and as you can see, it's on the crease between the white eyeshadow and the pink crease. So I'm just peeling my oats, and this is it for the upper part of the eyes. And now I'll just do my base and the other eye, then I'll be back. Let's continue for my brows, and for the brows, as you can see, I'm just angling it with the same angle of the wing. And for this part, I'm scratching the glue part of my brows. So I decided to not use a pencil. I just use a darker foundation to map my brows. Then cleaning it with a concealer and matching it as much as possible. Okay? So for my lower lash line, I'll just copy what I did on my crease. I'm starting with a baby pink eyeshadow. Then I'm deepening it using a more brighter pink to give dimension to the lower lash line. For this part, I'm just putting a small cat eye on my inner corner. Then adding a nude liner on my waterline. Okay, so for my lashes, as you can see, I'm initially using this wispy lashes Then afterwards, I'm using these lashes that I use on my TikTok makeup hacks to achieve a fox eye lashes. So that's it. For my contour, I'm using the Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodin, the shading one, and as you can see, I'm just copying the angle I use on my wing. As I've said, to achieve this fox eye, just copying and lifting the angles. For my blush, I'm using this peach blush from Vice Cosmetics in the shade Applauded. And for my highlight, I'm using the ColourPop Super Shock Chic in the shade Flexitarian. Then lastly, for my lips, initially I did a purple lips for this look and it looks awesome, but I think it's not looking wearable, so I did change it to a pink lip tint, as you can see on the start of this video and as for the thumbnail. And that would be it for this fox eye makeup look. So I'll just accessorize and finish this look and I'll be right back. So that's it for this tutorial, and I just put my wig and a tube to complete this look, and I already changed my lippy using this pink lip tint because the other one is a little bit making me sad and I don't vibing it. So thank you again for watching, and if you enjoy watching it, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell to be notified on my future videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!